Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, one thing I must say and give a round of applause to is them Celebo family guys. High shame. That family knows how to give us content. Listen, on Wednesdays, on Thursdays, go on Twitter, you'll see the number one thing that will be trending, not only for Wednesday, Thursday, you'll see even on Friday. Hey, guys, and it will be even like almost the whole day. That's how they know how to, it's like they've clocked this thing of giving us good quality content. Because I mean, how did they get the whole nation talking about them? Guys, anyway, never mind that now. Guys, I want to talk about Umayeni. And I know some people are going to come for me, but it is what it is and it's fine. Listen, it's fine. Guys, Umayeni, let's just be honest. Or let me just say, this is my opinion. I feel Umayeni bekathukozela abantu in that meeting that she had, or that meeting that they had as the sister wives that was called by Utobile. Now, I don't get, okay, let's talk about the one that I just find kind of problematic in a sense. Umayeni, fine, she's talking about her husband, which her husband is watch and all of those things, making jokes about that. Okay, fine, that's her own thing. But then she says, Uguti, look at Umusa's status. Then the wives pick up their phone, they go and check Umusa's status, and Umusa's status says something about, I don't know, fake people. I can't remember, guys, but it was basically talking about people who are not really there for you, like selfish people who won't be there for you when you need them. And then he captioned that. It was like a quote. He posted a quote and then he captioned that quote, I got this from Mamkhulu. Now Umayeni is saying, uthi mina ngiyamazi uMusa, uthi whatever he's saying there kulesa status uyiqondise to someone. So now how she's putting it, it's making it sound ukuthi uMamkhulu benoMusa uMamkhulu noMusa was speaking about something or speaking about someone, and for uMusa to put up that status, he was putting it up for someone, and it came off as if she thought ukuthi that status ukuthi it was meant for her. Like I just feel like she was phubuzelaring uMacele in a sense, because I'm just like, why do you have to bring up like ukuthi those type of, like, one thing I don't get, ne? Fine, be mad at your husband, but don't bring the things that you're mad at your husband for, don't bring them here to the table and then want to father other people. I don't think that's fair, because I don't even know if Umatala really knows ukuthi what Umayeni is talking about. Now, yes, Umayeni might have a point to which she knows her husband, because let's face it, there are those people that post statuses for people. Maybe Umusa is those type of people. But the way Umayeni puts it, you guys, it just came off as if Umayeni was saying ukuthi uMacele benoMusa were gossiping about one of the wives, and uMusa put it out there. Now uMacele is trying to defend herself, and she's like, no, there was no content in that status. If you want to see content, is bonele wena, but there was no content in that. uMacele, in her diary session, she says, listen, I don't give a damn if Umayeni thinks ukuthi I was talking about her, ukuthi lesa status besikhuluma ngaye, or was it speaking about someone else. I'm just like, but what Umayeni, like, really? And then Umayeni will ask certain things, like she'll ask certain things about number 5, like she was asking about number 5, did you know Tobile Uchuena number 5 was getting lobolat or whatnot. I'm just like, why are you bringing up number 5's issues here? And it's Umayeni, you said you don't want anything to do with number 5. Why are you asking such things? Hi guys, like I was just like, nah, like I know Uguti, like Umayeni is for authentic, or she seems to be in an era where she is now willing to have conversations, unlike the previous season. But just because you're willing to have conversations, guys, it's not fair for you to put other people in awkward situations and put them in conversations that are just uncomfortable like this one. I'm just like, nah, Mayeni, please. We know Wuti Vela when you say Wuti, you don't take nonsense and all of that, but let's just kind of be respectful of people's spaces. Don't be accusing people of speaking about you or speaking about anyone based on a status Get friends ukhuluma nabangani bakho like what uThobile does. She speaks with her sisters there, Basege and all of that. But when it comes here, like, yo, guys, I did not appreciate that. And I know, again, people are going to be coming for me. And I know every time, ever since Utanda Nestembo has been playing, people are like, I'm ready to defend Umayeni, I'm ready to defend Umayeni. And I'm like, I get to Umayeni's hurt, guys, and her husband did things and whatnot. But some things are borderline disrespectful, and I feel like we need to call it out for what it is. Some things are funny, yes, she is funny, but some things, let's call them out for what they are, guys. It doesn't make you less of a fan, because if any of those other wives spoke that way, we would definitely be coming for them. But hey, the way when it comes to Umayeni, people will defend something even when it's disrespectful and wrong. Guys, no. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.